Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be installing a highlighted wig from Amazon. So this is a 13 by 4 frontal wig and it is 24 inches. The hairline did come pre-plucked and it did come pre-bleached. But I still went in and I plucked some more and then I bleached this wig also. So I didn't have to do much plucking. And this is light brown Swiss lace, but this lace is really thin, so it will give you a very good melt. And I'll have all the details to this wig down below in the description box. So I also went in and I curled this wig with my curling iron because this wig did originally come straight. So if you guys would like to see how I did this wig and the look that I got, go ahead and keep on watching. Thank you guys. Okay guys, so that's basically it for this install, and these curls came out really bomb, and this lace melted really good into my skin, so I decided to do no baby hairs. So guys, if you like this wig and how it came out, go ahead and like this video and comment down below if you have any questions, and thank you guys for watching.